Honor has recently launched the Honor Magic V3 series of foldable phones. The brand is now reportedly working on the Magic 7 series of flagship phones. Tipster Digital Chat Station released a Weibo post to leak what appears to be the key specifications of the standard variant of the Magic 7 and 7 Pro. This is the first look Honor Magic 7 Pro render, and it's come in two color. The Magic 7 lineup will make its announcement in November of this year. Now Honor Magic 7 Pro gets leaked in real-life image. The images also reveal that the Honor Magic 7 Pro will feature a centered pill-shaped cutout for the selfie camera and additional sensor. And Honor Magic 7 series will continue using an equal-depth quad-curved display. It is expected to support a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, a square design for the cameras and LED flash. Magic 7 Pro feature a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 200-megapixel telephoto camera. Honor Magic 7 Pro equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. It may house a silicon battery of around 6,000 mAh capacity. It is likely that the Magic 7 lineup may announced in January 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.